It's not about freaking tips and tricks. If you want tips and tricks, Google or go to ChatGPT or however you find your tips and tricks. I'm going to talk about what is truly necessary to successfully position yourself. Beautiful lady, a brand new episode of the podcast for female leaders. Welcome and thank you for listening. Today, I'm going to talk about tips and tricks about positioning yourself. And I'm not going to give you tips and tricks because I truly believe tips and tricks are not going to help you fasten your career, achieve your goals, position yourself successfully. It's not about freaking tips and tricks. If you want tips and tricks, Google or go to ChatGPT or however you find your tips and tricks. I'm going to talk about what is truly necessary to successfully position yourself. And it's not about tips and tricks. It starts with a decision. It's not only about positioning yourself, but it's about everything. It starts always with a decision. The decision to actually do it. Make the decision to improve the way you position yourself, to achieve your goals faster, in a more joyful way, whatever is important to you. So, so once you've made a decision, I will probably tell this more often, but you have three types in general in decision-making things, three types of people. The first type is basically everybody. Basically, no, not everybody, but most of the people, they want something. Okay, that's fine. You have a dream, you want something, you want to do something different, you want to achieve something, then that's it. You want something. There is a dream, a wish, a desire. Second is a way smaller group of people that actually make the decision to go for what you want, to go for your dreams, to make your desire come true. It's a smaller group, but still, when you're in this second group, it doesn't really get you anywhere yet. Because the third group, and that group is even smaller, doesn't only make the decision in what to want, doesn't only make the choice, but also takes action. The third group is committed to go for what they want. Now, same story with positioning yourself successfully or in a different way or in a more joyful way. Now, if you are in that third group, you probably don't even ask for tips and tricks because you're on a different level. And again, it's not about tips and tricks. It's all about your energy. Energy is key. Energy is key. And you might ask yourself, okay, energy, yeah. I get you, or not, whatever. It's all about energy. For example, if you have a meeting planned, maybe this afternoon you have a meeting planned, and in this meeting also colleagues or in other way people attend that according to you are quite dominant. They're always there. They always have their mouth open. They're always speaking. They don't say much, but they talk. Sometimes loud, but a lot. They claim a lot of time of the meeting. Not useful, but they do it. That's their way of communicating that what they want. Getting what they want. And if you're attending that meeting with a thing of, oh, gee, I'm going to be surrounded by people who constantly talk and they basically don't say nothing. And it's so freaking annoying the way they speak, the way they join, the way they don't listen. They don't go for the higher picture. They just go for themselves. If you, with this energy, join the meeting, guess what happens? Well, you don't even have to guess because you know what happens. This is how your energy will be. You'll be annoyed. You've lost total control over your power, over your expertise. It's all gone because you are annoyed. Now, if this afternoon or whenever you have this type of meeting, if you prepare yourself for this meeting, you ask yourself, okay, what do I want? What do I want to get from this meeting? Can be in your own gain, can be because of your responsibility, because you have a vision on something, because whatever the goal of the meeting is. If you ask yourself, well, what do I want? How do I want to feel? How do I want to join the meeting? How do I want to attend? When I leave the meeting room or the Zoom or the Teams or whatever, how do I want to look back on that meeting? How do I want to sit? How do I actually literally pose in that meeting? And if then you connect to that energy and you join the meeting, you don't need any tips, tricks on how to position yourself, because you will position yourself exactly how you are. And that is your strongest asset. There's nothing more than that. And of course, you can apply this to all kinds of meetings, one-to-ones. If you meet somebody at a coffee machine, whatever. If you ask yourself, what do I want from this contact, from this meeting, from this whatever? Your energy shifts. And the more you focus on how you want to feel, what you want to, what your gain is out of that meeting, the bigger the chance that you actually get what you want, what you aim for. So, yeah, tips and tricks. I'm not the person to go to for tips and tricks. Of course, if we would work together, of course we go. I never do. I never do 3 days of training and then day 4 you're at work. Have fun, enjoy, good luck. No. It's surrounded, positioning yourself. You don't do it by yourself. You don't do it when you're alone. You don't do it when you're in your maybe private office. You don't do that when you're at your home, in your home situation. Well, if you're surrounded by people, then yes, of course you do it. But you do it together, in contact, in connection with other people. That's where it happens. So we always work together for a period of 6 or 9 months, because we are gonna prepare every either difficult meeting or a setting where which is very important for you towards your career, towards your next steps or moves, or whatever it is you like to achieve. So your energy is key. Your energy defines the success of a meeting. Your energy defines whether you leave a meeting have that because you've lost all your energy, because your irritation was so high towards other people, or the opposite. You look back, even a meeting with a lot of people that really are not your type of people. Hey, but either they're your colleagues, your clients, your whatever. You have to deal with it. And the more your energy is let's say, is closer towards who you are, towards yourself, the better the result of the meeting. And it's not just only one meeting, it's every single meeting. Every time you're in contact with somebody, with a person, you have a chance to position yourself. And you decide, whether you take this chance, whether you use this chance towards your goals, your desires, your dreams. Thank you for listening.